Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer from Trust Wallet to Binance Lite. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to open up the Trust Wallet app and then go over to Wallet in the bottom left. You'll then see all the tokens you're holding, and the first thing you need to do is to decide which coin you would like to transfer. So for me, that will be Algorand. And once you have decided which coin you would like to transfer, you need to click on it. You'll then see a screen looking similar to this one, and here you will need to click on Send. You'll then need to fill in the recipient address. So to find this address, you need to go over to Binance Lite, and then you need to click on the wallet icon in the bottom right. You'll then see this screen, and over on this page you need to click on Deposit. Since we're transferring cryptocurrencies, you'll now need to click on Crypto, and then you need to go over to the search bar and search for the currency you would like to transfer. So let's say I would like to transfer Bitcoin. I would go ahead and fill in BTC. But since I would like to transfer Algorand, I will type in Algo. Then you need to click on the coin. By the way, always make sure to select the same coin on Binance as you have selected on Trust Wallet, because if you transfer your cryptocurrency to the address of another coin, you will lose all the funds you're transferring. So since I've got Algorand selected on Trust Wallet, I'm going with Algo on Binance. So to copy your address, you can click on the icon to the right of your address. As you can see, right now my address has been copied to the clipboard. And what you need to do now is to go back over to Trust Wallet and paste your address in. You can do this by clicking on the paste button. Now, all that's left to do is to fill in the amount of coins you would like to transfer. You can fill in this amount manually, or you can click on Max to select all of the available holdings. Once you have filled in the recipient address and the amount of coins you would like to transfer, you can click on Next. You'll then see this confirm screen, and please make sure to double check all the information to make sure you haven't made any mistakes, and then click on Send. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.